On this episode of Bobscaping, we're going to shear this burning bush. It's starting to get rather large, so we'll try to cut it fairly tight. We've already done our boxwood there, and now we'll go ahead and do this one. Try to create a little separation between it and this weeping Alaskan cedar. Today we're using our Echo SHC 225 pruners, and they are a gas-powered pole type set of shears. Pretty easy to use. Okay, there we have it. One burning bush sheared. And as usual, we like the gumdrop shape. Try not to undercut it too much. Some people like to cut off any stragglers hanging down below, but I prefer to try to trim straight up and down toward the bottom so that some sunlight can get to the bottom branches and keep it from becoming bare at the bottom of the shrub. Okay, a little bit of cleanup. We'll be good to go. For this episode of Bobscaping, this is Bob.